Can I eat it?
You want to do what?
Can I eat it?
You want to eat that?
Yeah.
What is it?
A gingerbread house.
It's a gingerbread house?
Dad, can I eat it?
How much do you love Dad?
This much.
How much?
This much.
I don't see why you shouldn't be able to eat it.
But I love to eat it.
You sure you love Dad that much?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna tear it.
You want to tear it? Go for it. Vivian, would you like to have some?
Mmm.
Climb up, Vivian.
Victor, move it to the center. Let her pull some off too. You can't be the gingerbread master.
I'm going to eat M&M's.
Why don't you break off part of the roof? Take a corner and break it.
M&M's. Oh, break it?
Yeah, take the corner of the roof and break it.
M&M's.
And eat the gingerbread part.
M&M's. Oh,
Yeah, you found an M&M?
M&M.
Do you want me to show you how to break it, Victor?
Yeah.
Watch this. Oh boy, I don't think you could have done that if you wanted. Here you go, young lady. Don't chip a tooth.
It's stuck.
Is it hard?
Shut and back and now how do you break it?
So that you could have some ginger. Wow, nice job, Vivian.
Bye-bye.
No, share with Victor.
Maybe he should.
So who loves gingerbread houses?
Me.
Vivian, do you love gingerbread houses?
Always.
Did you like making it or eating it?
It. Making it.
Oh, you enjoyed making it. So we've got a maker and an eater.
Pretty tough, huh?
That one's hard. Use all your might.
I'm gonna go again. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Batman.
Wow, good job. Did you rip that off, Victor?
Batman. I did.
Good job.
I did.
Oh, you didn't?
Batman. Oh, that's Batman. No, yes, it's
That's harder than a fruit cake, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it off. Can you
You need help?
Yeah, I need help.
Maybe Vivian can do it. Vivian, can you break the corner? Nope.
Look at this. I'm gonna unchew this.
Yeah, you can chew that.
Is it food?
It's good.
It's the tastiest house ever.
Yes, it is.
Oh, Vivian's discovered the fruit snacks.
Daisy. Bonk. Do it. Uh-oh. I got to open.
You eating? You did it? Are you going to eat it? That's part of the gingerbread.
Cheese.
Guess who hates cameras?
6, 7.